Hi, welcome to another video. So, if you want to use Kimi-K2.5, MiniMax M2.5, GLM-5, and a bunch of other good models in an agentic coding workflow basically for free, then there is a really easy way to do it through NVIDIA NIM, or basically the NVIDIA API Catalog. And this time, I'll be showing it in Kilo CLI. Now, yes, the same steps also apply in OpenCode, because Kilo is basically the better fork of OpenCode, and the flow is very similar there too, but I use Kilo CLI more these days, so I'll stick to that for this video. The really nice thing here is that you do not need to manually edit some config file or add a giant JSON provider block or anything like that. It is much simpler. You just get your NVIDIA API key, open Kilo CLI, run the /connect command, choose NVIDIA, paste the key, and then run /models to select whichever model you want. That is literally it. So this is kind of awesome, for sure. Now, before we go further, I do want to be precise with the wording here. I'm saying this is free because NVIDIA currently offers free serverless API access for development through build.nvidia.com. So for normal developer testing, you're not sitting there paying per token out of pocket in the usual way. But this is still under NVIDIA's developer and trial style terms, so don't think of it as some infinite production deployment with no limits. For trying models, coding, testing projects, and just messing around though, this is really great. So let's get right into it. First of all, why Kilo CLI? If you have watched my recent videos, you already know that I use Kilo CLI a lot for model testing and general agentic coding. It is fast, it supports a ton of models, it works well in the terminal, and it has some really nice improvements on top of OpenCode, which is why I generally prefer it. That is also why I'm showing this in Kilo rather than OpenCode, even though OpenCode can do the same thing. Now, on the NVIDIA side, what they have is basically this API catalog, where you can access models from different labs through one place. So instead of juggling separate providers for everything, you can just connect NVIDIA and then choose from the models that they expose there. And right now, that includes some really good stuff, like Moonshot's Kimi-K2.5, MiniMax M2.5. It doesn't really matter which one you open first. If you do not have an NVIDIA account yet, it will ask you to sign in and join the NVIDIA developer program. Just go through that process and then click the Get API Key option. Once you get the key, copy it. That is the only thing you need from NVIDIA for this setup. Now, go to Kilo CLI and open it, then run the /connect command. This is the key part, because many people assume they need to open a config file and manually wire in providers. You don't need to do that here. Just run /connect, select NVIDIA from the list of providers, and then paste the API key when it asks for it. Once you do that, Kilo basically configures it for you. Then after that, run the /models command. That opens up the model picker, and from there you can choose whichever NVIDIA-backed model is available to you. So, you can select Kimi-K2.5, MiniMax M2.5, GLM-5, and whatever else NVIDIA has available in the catalog at that time. And that's it. No editing the config file. No manually writing base URLs. No messing around with provider JSON. No environment variables if you don't want to. Just /connect, choose NVIDIA, paste key, then /models, and pick your model. This is really good for sure. And again, if you use OpenCode instead of Kilo, the same idea applies there as well. You can just use the connect flow there too. But I like Kilo CLI more. So that's what I'm sticking to. Now let's talk about why you'd even want to do this. But before we get into that, I want to quickly talk about today's sponsor, On Demand. If you've been trying to build AI agents, you know the pain. You find one tool for summarization, another for web scraping, another for data analysis, and then you spend more time stitching them together than actually getting work done. On Demand solves this. On Demand is a platform where you can discover, assemble, and automate AI agents all in one place. They have an agent marketplace with over 400 agentic tools ready to go, so instead of hunting for tools and figuring out APIs, you just browse, pick what you need, and deploy. That gives you over 1,200 possible agent combinations, which is insane. But the cool part is the playground. You take these agents and assemble them into a workflow for your exact use case, and once it works, you turn it into a full automation using their flow builder. It's visual, no code, and lets you chain multi-agent workflows that run repeatedly without you touching anything. You can also bring your own models, and it's privacy first with secure connectors. Sign up through my link in the description and you'll get $5 in free credit. Go check it out. First is Kimi-K2.5. This is one of the most interesting models in the NVIDIA catalog right now. NVIDIA lists it as an open-source native multimodal agentic model, and it has a huge context window, around 256K tokens. So if you want something that can keep a lot of project state in mind, handle longer coding tasks, and reason through multi-step workflows, Kimi is a very good option. Second is MiniMax M2.5. This one is also really impressive. It has around a 204K context window. It is meant to actually do things. Then there is GLM-5. GLM-5 is another really strong one. NVIDIA lists it with around a 205K context window and positions it around complex systems engineering and longer horizon agentic tasks. So if you're doing stuff where you want strong reasoning over a lot of context, this is also a really serious option. So through one provider, you're basically getting access to multiple high-end models that are actually useful for coding. That is the part I like the most. You do not need to keep hopping between 3 separate dashboards and 3 separate billing systems and 3 separate providers. You connect NVIDIA once, and then you just swap between models inside Kilo using /models, which is chef's kiss. Now, let me talk about how I would actually use this after the setup is done. Once I connect NVIDIA and choose a model, I would just go into a repo and use Kilo normally. For example, I might ask it to analyze the project architecture, find technical debt, and implement one small but useful improvement. Or I might ask it to build a Tari image cropper app. Or maybe create a Next.js dashboard with charts and filters. Or build some internal dev tool. The workflow itself does not really change. That is the beauty of it. You are still using the same Kilo CLI agent workflow. You are still prompting it the same way. You are still letting it inspect files, edit files, run commands, and work through the task. The only thing that changed is the model source. Instead of using some other provider directly, you're now using NVIDIA's API Catalog connection and selecting the model from there. So, from the user's perspective, it feels very natural. That is why I think this setup is so easy to recommend, especially if you're a student or just someone who likes testing a lot of models without wanting to spend a ton of money. This is a super practical route. Now, another thing I really like is how easy it is to compare models here. Let's say Kimi-K2.5 is doing well on one task, but you want to compare it against GLM-5. Fine, just run /models and switch. Let's say MiniMax M2.5 feels better for long refactors or some specific project style. Fine, just switch again. You do not have to reconnect everything from scratch every time. You do not have to rebuild some giant config. You just connect NVIDIA once, and then you keep swapping models as needed. That is actually amazing. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, because this is a free developer access type setup, availability and limits can change over time. So if you're watching this later and one model disappears from the catalog or gets swapped, that does not mean the whole setup is broken. It just means NVIDIA changed what they are exposing at that time. Second, if you connect NVIDIA and then do not immediately see the model you wanted, just check the /models list properly and make sure that the model is actually available in NVIDIA's catalog for your account at that moment. Third, some of these models do have different personalities. Kimi may feel better in one kind of task. GLM-5 may feel better in another. MiniMax may work better for some other stuff. So don't just test one prompt and then make a final judgment. Try the same workflow with 2 or 3 models and then see what fits your style best. That is the whole advantage of this setup anyway. Now, why do I think this matters more broadly? Because this is how AI tooling should work. You should have a good open source or semi-open agent interface. You should be able to connect providers easily, and you should be able to switch models without doing some ridiculous amount of setup. That is exactly why I like Kilo CLI here. And again, yes, OpenCode can do the same thing too, because Kilo comes from that world and is basically a better fork in my opinion. So if you're an OpenCode user, don't worry, the same general connect flow applies there as well. But for me, I use Kilo CLI, so I'm just staying there. It works really well. And if you combine that with NVIDIA's currently free development API access, then you get a really practical and budget-friendly way to use models like Kimi-K2.5 MiniMax M2.5 or GLM-5 or whatever model you want from the NVIDIA list. That is all you need to do. Very easy and very good. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating through the Super Thanks option or becoming a member by clicking the Join button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.